Here at FBI Buildings, we have a program called Building Better Lives. Within the program, we do have a full-time nurse on staff, Cheryl Sproul, that can be there to help out employees answer any questions, whether it be health-related, personal questions. She also does some different activities that keep us all out there and doing healthy options, walking challenges, etc. Through the program, we also have a back maintenance program as well. With this program, it's situated out there. If someone goes to a chiropractor or masseuse, we do give part of the money back to the employees for going out there. It does keep their back in line, gives them better rest, so then they are also more healthy and don't get sick as often. The last thing that we do offer underneath the Building Better Lives program is Wellness Bucks. This is a program that we run each year. What it does is allow employees to go out there to live a healthier lifestyle, whether it be a gym membership, golfing fees, kayaking, canoeing, whatever their interests are. It's a little kickback that the company does give out to each employee quarterly that does promote the healthy lifestyle here at FBI Buildings.
My crew alone has used the Wellness Bucks for kayaking together. We've had where 3 of us all went and got kayaks on our Wellness Bucks for the year. We've spent time doing that. 2 of our 3 crew guys have used 1 year's worth of Wellness Bucks on an Apple Watch. That helps us keep track of our activity. It helps us keep track of the noise level so we're not doing damage to our ears. It's very helpful.
Here at FBI Buildings, we have many opportunities for our employees to grow. There are several different areas that they can grow within. They can go in the field if they want to go into a lead or a foreman role, or they can go into a manager. We also have our own marketing team as well as inside sales. So it really puts the ball in the employee's court to see what direction that they want to go on.
In my experience at FBI, I've seen growth on the crew. I've seen growth within myself. I started as a crewman, which is what a lot of people will come into, and now I'm a project sales consultant, just as a salesman. The foreman that I had on the crew prior to this is a guy that I got hired, and prior to that he was the lead man for another foreman, so the growth is endless within FBI. It feels good to work with FBI and a company that cares that much for someone at the time that was just a crew guy. You know, at FBI, the family atmosphere, if they take care of even, the little guy per se, is a good feeling.
If you'd like to be part of a team that's growing and has a great family atmosphere, please check out our link below and go to our careers page, and we may have an opportunity that would best fit you.